In the world of social media, it's common to see influencers flaunting wealth that they often don't have. They flaunt flashy jewelry, fast cars, and luxurious mansions, many of which are rented to create the illusion of a high-class lifestyle. However, those who truly have wealth don't need to prove anything to anyone. Rich people generally value security and tranquility more than visibility. Chances are, when you come across a millionaire, you won't even notice, because those who spend time with wealthy people know how to spot the subtle signs of true wealth. Let's explore these signs that reveal genuine wealth. First sign: aura of calm, confidence, and control. Wealthy people do not need to flaunt their achievements through material possessions. Instead, they exude a sense of security that shines through in their demeanor. This serenity reflects an inner state of calm, confidence, and self-control. But this does not mean that they are arrogant or aloof. They maintain a steady, calm presence, remaining unfazed by life's little annoyances. A financially secure person tends to be less affected by daily challenges, such as traffic jams or long lines. A common example is seeing someone calmly reading a book while waiting, without showing frustration. This serene attitude is a reflection of an inner security cultivated over the years. Second sign: education or knowledge of the world. Education, whether formal or self-taught, often precedes the accumulation of wealth. Even those who become wealthy without formal academic training end up seeking knowledge over time. Wealthy people tend to invest in their development, acquiring skills and knowledge that promote success. It could be a degree, a certification, or simply the habit of continuous learning. In conversation, they demonstrate a broad view of various topics, often acquired through travel or reading. The sophistication they demonstrate does not come from degrees, but from genuine curiosity and an open mind to the world. Sign 3: resilience. The road to wealth is full of obstacles and disappointments. Many self-made wealthy people have faced bankruptcies or significant losses before they got to where they are. These experiences have shaped their ability to endure and adapt to adversity. A financially sound person usually responds calmly to times of difficulty, without panicking when faced with a financial emergency. They have savings and multiple sources of income, which allows them to maintain their lifestyle even in difficult times. If you see someone facing setbacks with dignity and calm, they may be better off financially than they seem. Sign 4: elegant and understated style. True millionaires often prefer understated elegance, or what is called quiet luxury. They choose quality, timeless pieces over trends. Their clothes are well-tailored, with classic cuts and neutral colors, prioritizing quality over flashy logos. This concept also applies to their homes, which value comfort and quality over ostentation. Rather than extravagant decor, their homes are welcoming and reflect sustainability and tranquility. The focus is not on impressing others, but on creating a space that reflects their values. Fifth sign: good connections. While anyone can try to impress by mentioning contacts, the truly wealthy build solid networks over time. They know that relationships are valuable assets, so they cultivate genuine friendships with people they trust. They may have connections with lawyers, financial advisors, entrepreneurs, and mentors, and attend exclusive events where they expand these networks. These connections, in addition to being social, open doors to new business opportunities and partnerships. By creating a circle of people who share ambitions, these relationships facilitate mutual and sustainable growth. Sixth sign: financial education. Knowing how to manage your finances is one of the clearest signs of wealth. Wealthy people understand concepts such as compound interest, investment diversification, and tax planning well, using this knowledge to protect and grow their wealth. They do not rely solely on a high salary, preferring to diversify their sources of income. This financial understanding allows them to take calculated risks, avoiding common mistakes made by others. This wise approach reveals a mindset focused on the long term and building security. Seventh sign: philanthropy. Many wealthy individuals dedicate some of their resources to giving back to society in meaningful ways. While giving is not exclusive to the wealthy, wealthy individuals tend to make significant contributions, whether in money, time, or resources. They tend to support causes they care about, such as education, health, or environmental sustainability, and they often prefer to act discreetly, guided by personal values rather than a desire for public recognition. A true philanthropist seeks to make a lasting impact, rather than simply applaud their own generosity. Eighth sign: valuing self-care and health. Financially comfortable individuals understand the value of self-care and invest in their own physical and mental well-being. They may practice yoga, meditation, or outdoor activities to maintain their health. For them, health is essential because it directly impacts their ability to enjoy and sustain their wealth. A balanced lifestyle is seen as an integral part of financial and emotional well-being, valuing quality over quantity in all aspects of their lives, from diet to personal relationships. Ninth sign: they prefer experiences over possessions. One of the most obvious signs of wealth is the pursuit of enriching experiences over material possessions. Truly wealthy individuals value meaningful moments such as travel, learning, or spending time with family and friends over the accumulation of objects. To them, memories and personal growth are more valuable than the latest gadget or trend. This preference for growth-enhancing experiences reflects a mindset that seeks inner fulfillment rather than external validation. 10th sign, privacy and discretion on social media. Unlike influencers who constantly show off their lives, genuinely rich people value privacy. Most of them don't feel comfortable sharing every aspect of their routine, preferring to keep a low profile or even not being present on social media at all. Even those who maintain an online presence do so carefully, selecting what they share and keeping their privacy intact. Digital discretion reveals an understanding that security and peace of mind are invaluable. These people don't need validation from others to feel good, showing that for them, true wealth lies in peace and autonomy, without the need to prove anything to anyone. 11th sign, investing in continuous learning. Regardless of age or position, truly wealthy individuals understand the value of continuous learning. Many invest in courses, workshops, or mentoring, seeking to improve their skills and expand their knowledge. They do not settle for the knowledge they acquired at the beginning of their careers, but rather seek to update themselves to keep their minds active and expand their perspectives. This habit reflects a growth mindset, which is essential to preserving and multiplying wealth over the years. By focusing on learning and personal development, they seek not only financial gain, but also a more enriching and meaningful life. 12th sign, ethical and respectful behavior. Truly wealthy people value integrity and treat everyone around them with respect, regardless of status or social position. They recognize the value of building a reputation based on ethics, as they know that earned respect is worth more than any material possession. This behavior reflects a long-term vision, where each action and decision is made thoughtfully, with respect and consideration for others. In social and professional interactions, true millionaires act with humility, understanding that their attitude is more important than what they have. True wealth is often invisible. The very wealthy can blend in, revealing their wealth only in subtle signs, such as a solid financial education and a composed demeanor. Cultivating these traits can lead to a more prosperous and fulfilling life.